Here are 5 ideas, stepwise, to earn extra online from sketching. At the end, I will tell you the procedure to get such income ideas for yourself.
1. Sell sketch prints and merchandise on Etsy.
Step 1. Create high-quality sketches. Begin by creating a collection of high-quality sketches that showcase your artistic style and creativity.
Ensure they are scanned or photographed in high resolution. Step 2. Set up an Etsy shop. Create an Etsy seller account if you don't have one already.
Etsy is a popular platform for selling handmade and artistic products.
Step 3. List your sketches.
Create listings for your sketches, providing detailed descriptions, sizes, and pricing.
You can also offer various print sizes or merchandise like posters, mugs, or t-shirts featuring your sketches. Step 4. Optimize your shop.
Use relevant keywords in your listings and shop tags to make your products discoverable.
Craft compelling product titles and descriptions. Step 5. Promote your shop.
Share your Etsy shop on social media and engage with potential customers through posts and stories. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to reach a wider audience.
Step 6. Fulfill orders.
When you receive orders, package your sketches carefully to ensure they arrive in excellent condition.
Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. 2. Create and sell sketching courses online. Step 1. Plan your course.
Identify your target audience and plan a sketching course that caters to their skill level.
Outline the course content, including video lessons, assignments, and resources. Step 2. Record video lessons.
Use a quality camera and microphone to record your sketching lessons. Ensure good lighting and clear audio.
Edit the videos to enhance their quality. Step 3. Choose an online course platform. Select an online course platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to host your course. Create a course outline and set a price for enrollment. Step 4. Publish your course.
Upload your course materials, including videos, assignments, and supplementary resources.
Set up payment options for your students. Step 5. Promote your course. Use social media, your website, and email marketing to promote your sketching course. Consider offering a limited-time discount to attract initial students. Step 6. Engage with students.
Interact with your students by answering questions, providing feedback on assignments, and creating a community where they can share their progress.
3. Launch a Patreon page for sketch lovers. Step 1. Create a Patreon account.
Sign up for a Patreon creator account. Patreon is a platform where you can offer exclusive content to your supporters.
Step 2. Plan your tiers.
Determine what kind of exclusive content or perks you'll offer to your patrons. This could include early access to sketches, behind-the-scenes videos, or personalized sketches.
Step 3. Set up tiers and pricing. Create different membership tiers with varying benefits and pricing. Make sure the rewards are compelling enough to attract patrons. Step 4. Launch your Patreon page.
Design an appealing Patreon page with a compelling pitch about your sketching journey. Publish it and promote it on your social media platforms and website. Step 5. Engage with patrons. Regularly update your Patreon with exclusive content and engage with your patrons through comments, messages, and Q&A sessions.
Sorry for interrupting.
The remaining part of the video will play after this short break.
These are all the places you can find me:
Facebook, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Twitter, Pinterest, etc.
I post videos on YouTube.
I share trendy and popular curated content on Tumblr.
You will find all the URLs in the description of this video. Let's now continue with the video. 4. Sell digital sketches on NFT marketplaces. Step 1. Create a digital wallet. To sell NFTs, non-fungible tokens, you'll need a digital wallet that supports the blockchain you want to use, such as Ethereum. Popular options include MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Step 2. Digitize your sketches. Scan or photograph your sketches and convert them into digital format using image editing software like Adobe Photoshop. Step 3. Mint NFTs. Use an NFT minting platform like OpenSea or Rarible to create NFTs of your digital sketches. Follow the platform's guidelines to set royalties and pricing. Step 4. List NFTs for sale. List your NFTs for sale on the chosen marketplace. Provide detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and any additional information about your sketches. Step 5. Promote your NFTs. Promote your NFT listings on social media, art forums, and NFT-related communities. Engage with potential buyers and collectors. 5. Create a YouTube channel for sketching tutorials. Step 1. Plan your channel. Define your niche within sketching, such as portrait sketches, landscape sketches, or cartoon sketches. Plan the types of tutorials you'll create. Step 2. Set up a YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel using your Google account. Customize your channel with a compelling banner, profile picture, and description. Step 3. Record and edit tutorials. Use a camera or smartphone to record your sketching tutorials. Edit the videos to enhance their quality and add relevant captions or annotations. Step 4. Upload regularly. Consistency is key on YouTube. Upload new tutorials regularly, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, to keep your audience engaged. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Once your channel gains traction and meets YouTube's monetization requirements, enable ads on your videos. You can also explore sponsorships and merchandise sales. Step 6. Engage with your audience. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for suggestions, and building a community around your channel. Let me know your prominent skill or your profession. If that's highly voted, I shall make a video to give you ideas to earn more. Vote via YouTube communities within the next 7 days.